yummy.
That looks like even yummier watermelon than what we just had a few minutes ago. There's more to it than
Look
just...
at this. This is one of the best bartenders in the country. She's from right here in Columbus.
This is Annie Williams. She works at the Sycamore down in German Village, and she is a finalist in this year's Bombay Sapphire Most Imaginative Bartender Competition. We're going to make clear your mind cocktails.
That's creepy.
This morning.
What are you doing?
I have a favorite. Okay, so
first of all, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. So the drink we're going to make is called Clear Your Mind. I also call it the Invisible Gimlet. It's a little bit of mad science going into this one, so it got a little technical. What I'm going to have you do is just squeeze a couple limes for me directly into this glass.
Right here into
Here,
the glass.
I've got a squeezer.
Even easier.
I have all my tools.
Yes, you're like
I'm going to reach across you.
While we do this, tell us about this competition.
So this is the Search for the Most Imaginative Bartender. Bombay Sapphire has been running this competition for 8 years.
Yes.
And it's a great way for bartenders across the country to exercise their creativity and really put something forward that maybe they're not always able to execute at their bar. You've got
much time
constraints, you've got customers waiting, you know, all of these things. So it lets us sort of be very nerdy. I am a complete nerd, so you'll have to tell me to scale back a little bit at any time when I get very in depth.
I don't know that there's anything more dangerous than a drunk nerd, so we're gonna.
We won't. It's a little early for that.
That's okay.
So, all right. While he's squeezing the lime juice, it's okay. It gets everywhere anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the drinks.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch spots with you real quickly.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm gonna do. This is Dolan Blanc. It's a semi-sweet vermouth. I absolutely love it. We're just going to mist the glass with it, so you get those sort of essences and flavors in there.
Where did you learn all this? How do you learn that that's the kind of stuff that you want to use to make this?
Like I said, I'm pretty nerdy. Trial and error, self-taught.
Right.
I like to try all sorts of things.
What's that pretty liquor?
This is a black pepper simple syrup. So simple syrup's simple for a reason. It's 1 part water, 1 part sugar. But I added black peppercorns and actually cooked it for a little while, which is where you get that great color.
Wow.
Now, real quickly, this is lime juice, but it's clarified lime juice. So if you kind of compare these two, so that's where a little bit of my...
Now, how did you clarify that?
You use, it's very similar to a gelatin. It's called agar. It's basically, it's a powdered gelatin. You're going to hydrate it in boiling water. You're going to integrate it with your lime juice, let it sit in an ice bath, and then it forms a gel.
Oh my
gosh.
then
it takes a very long time to strain through layers of cheesecloth and a strainer, but the result is
this is why you can't
rather
just
pretty.
order this at the bar on the spur of the moment.
No,
okay. All right.
$14,000 drink.
Right? Exactly.
It's just time consuming, really, more than anything.
What's up for grabs aside from the title? Now you're going to Las Vegas.
Yes, absolutely. So I will be representing the whole state of Ohio.
Yay.
I technically am Cleveland's representative, but we all know I'm from
right here in Columbus.
So
we'll fight about
exactly. I'm going to grab some ice real
So
quickly.
you just put a whole, what, was that a 1.5 ounce?
It's 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
So this is a strong drink.
That's why my drinks are too strong. I thought that was 1.5 ounces.
I'm a little biased. I like to make drinks the way I like to drink.
Okay.
So something that's going to change a little. You're going to be able to spend some time with it. You know, my all-time favorite drink is a perfect Manhattan on the rocks with a lemon twist.
There you go.
You know, and that's something you spend some time with.
So you're stirring, not shaking.
Stirring, not shaking.
And that's going to go directly into
It's going to go directly into my lovely green glass.
Okay. And then tell us what we have here.
So that's going to be our garnish. It's compressed watermelon. So take big old chunks of watermelon, not quite as fancily cut as the way you all just did.
Pretty intimidating.
And we put them in a vacuum seal bag and add lime, salt, and cilantro to it. So you've got great flavors going on in there.
Okay.
If you'd like to try it, it's a little slippery, but you can use your tongs right there.
Oh, here we go. All
and
right.
we'll put 3 pieces of compressed watermelon in there.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yes. Oh, it's going to get a little full, but that's okay.
All right, we're good with that. Here we go. That makes a customer very happy.
It does. It also makes them a little sticky.
What is this called now?
It's called Clear Your Mind. Absolutely.
And what was the impetus for that title?
Honestly, I really don't like naming things.
Okay.
And so it's just something that just seems really simple and it seems straightforward.
Right.
So I like to also call it the Invisible Gimlet, just because it's sort of a quick
Give it a go.
Exactly.
Try it.
So it's going to be a little full.
So you just sip it out of there?
Absolutely. And then we have these cute little vintage forks that were a collection of my grandmother's, so you can sort of pick the watermelon out if you'd like.
That is delightful.
I think he had a moment.
It's delightful. Wow, that's why you're winning
let me-
contests with that.
excuse me.
Gonna get,
Please.
it's very full. So when do you go to Vegas?
I go to Vegas September 8th.
September 8th, and
Yep.
so we will have you back
Oh,
when you
wow.
win.
Oh, that would be wonderful.
All right, that sounds fantastic.
Yes.
Hey, thank you so much.
course.
We'll come
Good
visit
luck.
at the Sycamore.
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much,
Thank you.
guys.
If you want to make the cocktail, go to myfox28columbus.com. Click on Good Day Columbus, and she's been kind enough to share recipes with you. So you can try it and make your workday go faster, as we're about to find out.
Yes.